Today we're going to be talking about how to make homemade cough syrup. You start by putting cranberries in a jar and crushing them up. Slicing them open first, as you can see we did here, is obviously easier. Then taking pineapple and cutting it in small chunks and placing it inside the jar with the cranberries. And then take local honey. Any honey works really, but local honey is the best. Take local honey and put it over top of your pineapple and cranberries in the jar. Looks so good. Put that lid on, place it on your counter, and let it sit for 10 days. Let it ferment, and once it's done, you have cough syrup.